our divisor, class?
7.
Once we identify our divisor, we then compare it to our place value. Okay, is 7 greater than, less than, or equal to 1? Greater than. So can we start with this one digit, or do we need to pull from our friend beside us? All right, so we're going to use our first 2 digits. Okay? All right, so once we find that out, we're going to do 7 times what is going to get us close to 18 without going over. Devon, agree or disagree? Give him 2 claps. 2 more. What is 7 times 2, class?
14.
14. Now we have 2 friends who are sitting so lonely but sitting pretty. What do we do to help these friends out, Heavenly?
You make both of them a 0.
Do we turn these into zeros, or do we add zeros? We add, how many zeros am I adding?
2.
Because we have 2 friends sitting by themselves. They need company, okay? So what we do to this side, we do 2. So we're going to add 2 zeros to. All right, so 7 times 200 equals?
1,400.
Absolutely. What do we do with these 2 numbers?
Subtract.
All right, let's do it. 0 minus 6.
6.
0 minus 0.
0.
4 minus 8.
4.
1 minus 1.
0.
All right, our invisible 0. Now we're going to do it again. We're going to go back to our step 1, which is identify our divisor. Is our divisor greater than or less than equal to our first digit?
Greater.
So can we start with 4?
No.
What do we have to start with?
The 2.
Which is 40, right? So 7 times what is going to get us close to 40 without going over? Ladarius. Somebody help him out. Cortland.
5.
Give her 2 claps. 2 more. What is 7 times 5, Josiah?
7 times 5, 35.
Okay, awesome. Now we have this lovely 6 sitting pretty and sitting by itself. What do we need to do to help this 6 out not be lonely?
Add a 0.
Add a 0. What we do to this side, we do to?
Other side.
All right, so 7 times 50 equals?
350.
What do we do with these 2 numbers?
Subtract.
All right, let's subtract it. 0 minus 6.
6.
5 minus 0.
Can't do that.
What does 0 turn into?
10.
Okay, we have to steal from our neighbor. What does that turn into?
3.
All right, 5 minus 10.
5.
All right, 3 minus 3.
0.
All right, we're left with this number. We're going to go back to our first step, which is identify our divisor. Is our divisor greater than or less than our first number?
Greater.
So can we start with 5?
No.
What do we have to start with? Our 2 numbers, which is what?
56.
7 times what is going to get us 56 without going over? 7 times what is going to get us 56 without going over? I'm sorry. Nia.
8.
Mm-hmm.
8. No, 7 times 8. 7 times 8.
Huh?
7 times 8.
Oh my gosh, say silly, Miss Michael.
Silly.
All right, she's correct. 7 times 8. All right, 7 times 8 equals what, class?
56.
56. I'm sorry, 56. Now, what do we do with these 2 numbers?
Subtract.
Okay, what does that equal?
0.
Once we zero out, do we keep going or are we done?
Done.
All right, we're done with our subtraction. How do we get our final answer?
Add
How do we?
them all
Oh, whoa. Show of hands. How do we get our final answer? Just sorry.
We add the all together.
What am I adding all of this together?
No, 258.
All right, give her 2 claps. 2 more. What's 200 plus 50?
250.
Plus 8?
258.
So what is our answer?
258.
Give yourselves 2 claps. 2 more.